What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be installing this wig that I got off of AliExpress from the company Yyong. It came in this nice satin bag, and inside the bag it came with 2 wig caps, an informational card, and of course it came with the wig. Now I got this wig in 18 inches, and it's a 13 by 6 closure. It's water wave hair, I think. Malaysian water wave. Yeah, it's Malaysian water wave, and the lace already came pre-plucked, and I got it in 120% density. So y'all, I installed this wig on a Sunday, and all the hair stores was closed, so I didn't bleach my knots. I'll just do that in another video. So yeah. The wig was a little too big for my head, so I did wind up adjusting the adjustable straps in the back of the wig, and I did cut off some of the lace around the ear areas. So this is how the hair looks after I just put some mousse in there. I did wind up combing this out because I didn't like how it looked wet, and also this mousse made the hair very crunchy. Like, I did not like that at all. And I put some water in there and it kind of got a little crunchy, but not too bad. So y'all, this is the final look, and I was feeling myself a little bit, so I had to go put on a little cute outfit, you feel me? But anyways, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to be notified when I post another video, because I have a lot more great content coming to y'all. But anyways, y'all, thank y'all for watching.